Every now and then, a car reemerges from the shadows of automotive history to remind us how daring car design once was. The 1988 Zimmer Golden Spirit is one such masterpiece, blending old-world opulence with modern engineering. At first glance, it appears to be a time traveler from the roaring 1930s, complete with sweeping fenders, chrome accents, and an air of aristocracy. But beneath its grand exterior lies something completely unexpected, the beating heart of a Ford Mustang. The Zimmer Golden Spirit was built during the height of the neoclassical car movement, an era where independent manufacturers reimagined modern cars with extravagant vintage styling. Founded in 1980 by Paul Zimmer, the Zimmer Motor Car Company became the most recognized name in this niche, transforming standard vehicles into rolling tributes to pre-war luxury. Rivaling names like Clénet and Tiffany, Zimmer stood out for combining handcrafted elegance with Ford reliability. Built on the Fox-body Mustang platform, the Golden Spirit was more than just an elegant showpiece. It combined the dependability of Ford's mechanics with the style of a bygone era. The body was made of fiberglass, carefully sculpted by craftsmen who extended the dimensions and added signature touches reminiscent of Duesenbergs and Packards. The result was part Art Deco masterpiece, part modern muscle car, a vehicle that could turn heads on any boulevard. Underneath the long hood, the 1988 model hides Ford's legendary 5.0-liter V8 engine, capable of producing around 225 horsepower and 300 pound-feet of torque. It came paired with a smooth 4-speed automatic transmission, delivering the same spirited performance that made the Mustang GT of the 1980s a cult icon. That's the true magic of the Golden Spirit, a glamorous machine that looks like it belongs to a film star of the 1930s, yet drives like a genuine muscle car from the golden age of American performance. The latest rediscovered example is a pristine 1988 model, finished in rich burgundy with a beige leather interior. With fewer than 5,000 miles on the clock, it stands as an untouched time capsule from a different era of automotive design. Its Carfax report reveals long-term California ownership, suggesting that the car enjoyed a dry, mild climate that helped preserve its immaculate condition. The dealer notes that it remains largely original, including its wood-trimmed interior, plush leather seats, and Zimmer-branded details that exude craftsmanship and exclusivity. Equipped with amenities like air conditioning, a sunroof, a Landau-style roof, and distinctive wire-spoke wheels, the Golden Spirit offered an unmatched blend of comfort and extravagance. Even the original Zimmer car cover accompanies this vehicle, a perfect finishing touch for such a rare machine. Minor imperfections such as light paint wear and small cracks in the wood trim show its age, yet these details only add character to a car that has survived nearly 40 decades. Despite its heritage and condition, the current auction on Cars and Bids has seen modest interest, with bids reaching around $5,000 and 2 days left. Considering that only around 1,400 Golden Spirits were ever built between 1980 and 1988, it remains an undervalued gem among collectors. After Zimmer's bankruptcy, the brand was revived, but original-era cars like this are the most sought after for their authenticity and historical significance. The 1988 Zimmer Golden Spirit is more than just a car. It's a statement. It represents an era when automotive design was driven by imagination and flair rather than mass production. Underneath its lavish chrome and vintage styling lies a Mustang soul, a perfect blend of art and engineering. For enthusiasts who crave individuality and nostalgia, this neoclassical masterpiece offers both in abundance.